AC Guy 1948 here. Just did some painting on my Pennsylvania Panzer. It's turned out pretty good. Got some runs up in there I'm going to have to fix. I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, I'm going to take the wheels off and then paint behind each of the wheels. I just wanted to get up underneath it. Get that all painted up under there. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Now I got all the pieces painted up here. And there's the I primered that, so I was trying to keep the primer overspraying. But there's the back seat area. But yeah, it's going to look pretty good when it gets all done. So, alright, see you in the next video. Have a great day.